In this video, I'm going to show you how to paste Elfsight code into a WordPress site. Let's get started. To embed an Elfsight widget into your WordPress website, first go to your Elfsight dashboard and make sure your widget is already created and published. Once it's ready, copy the installation code provided by Elfsight. Next, open your WordPress page or post editor where you want the widget to appear. Inside the editor, click the blue plus icon to add new block. From the block options, search for custom HTML. Once you find it, drag or insert it into the exact spot on your page where you want the widget to be displayed. After that, paste your Elfsight installation code into the HTML box. Make sure you paste the full code so the widget loads correctly. Once you're done, click Save or Update to apply the changes. After publishing, your Elfsight widget will now be live on your WordPress website and visible to your visitors. That's how you can paste Elfsight code into a WordPress site. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.